What if your daily stand-up took just 5 minutes and everyone left with complete clarity? Too often, daily stand-ups become long status meetings where everyone talks, but clarity gets lost. Let's focus on the blockers. This API delay is critical. AI prepares your stand-up before the meeting begins, summarizing progress, highlighting blockers, identifying risks, and organizing what matters most. Good insights. Let's prioritize these. Looks good. Instead of spending time collecting updates, your team focuses on solving problems, making decisions, and moving the sprint forward. Let's handle checkout flow.
Agreed, that's our priority. I'll sync with the vendor.
Great, let's move forward. Everyone leaves knowing exactly what to do, what's blocked, and what needs immediate attention. With Agile Yogi, AI supports your team by preparing insights, reducing repetitive work, and helping every stand-up become more meaningful. Empowering Agile teams with AI-driven learning, smarter collaboration, and continuous improvement.